let's see here. Well, while many folks were growing up listening to the Carter Family, which I did too, I was lucky enough to discover Jimmie Rogers. And he recorded and came over the mountain from Asheville there in 1927 when the Carter family came from Hilton's over to Bristol, and that was an all-day drive from Hilton's to Bristol. And we just take it for granted now. But that was a major expedition, and they had 2 or 3 flats, and it was a major deal for the Carters to get over to Bristol. But that shows you how bad they wanted something. And Jimmie Rogers was living over in Asheville. He was doing some performances with a couple of friends and doing some stuff on the radio, and apparently he heard about it as well. And he and his friends came over, and as happens with human beings, they had a disagreement. So he said, well, you all do your thing, and I'll get on and do my thing. So instead of him being as part of a group, he just became a solo performer. And right there in view of that sign in Bristol is where they recorded those first sessions. And they actually issued some of the songs that they performed on 78. It wasn't necessarily just a trial. They kept those recordings and issued them. So it's fascinating to me that you can hear how they recorded those in a room, and they hung blankets up and recorded them as best they could. And that was in the 20s, and it still exists. And this music is still here with us now. So I enjoy doing the Carter Family tunes. I enjoy the Jimmie Rogers tunes. So I will do one of the Jimmie Rogers tunes. When a woman sings the blues, she hangs her little head and cries. When that woman gets the blues, she hangs her little head and cries. But when a man gets blue, grabs him a train and rides. Look yonder coming down that railroad track. Look yonder coming down the railroad track. See the black smoke rolling from that old smokestack. It's some like Chicago, some like Memphis, Tennessee. Some like Chicago, some like Memphis, Tennessee. Give me sweet Dallas, Texas, where the women think the world of me. Look yonder coming down the railroad track. Look yonder coming down the railroad track. See the black smoke rolling from that old smokestack. Hey, I love the women, I love them all the same. I love the women, I love them all the same. And I don't love nobody real enough to change her name. Look yonder coming down the railroad track. Look yonder coming down the railroad track. See the black smoke rolling from that old smokestack. See the black smoke rolling from that old